Welcome to RitchandSJ. So today's plan is we're going to start stripping down and renovating this antique roll top desk. I'm not quite sure what year it is yet, I haven't actually checked it out, but because it's such a big piece we actually split it into its individual components. It tends to be 2 drawers, centre section and then your top, and I'm going to strip everything out of it, strip it down to as much as I can, and then start putting the paint stripper on, which I'll put a link up here to the paint stripper review we did.
It's a hot day, I'm hanging in the sunshine. You should hit me with the splash gun, so I cool down. Won't you come on over, we can party till the sun's down. Baby, let me buy you a drink while we're dancing a blink. I could go for some Queen Bee too. Macy's going boom boom. If you're looking for some crazy, I'll tell you everybody's standing in a line for the water slide. You can come on over, we can take the roller coaster. And you know everybody's looking for a ride in the water slide. Water slide. It's just another Friday in paradise. So bring your A game, cause you know this party won't stop. sipping strawberry lime. You know I wanna share it with you. This going boom boom. If you're looking for some crazy, I'll tell you everybody's standing in a line for the water slide. You can come on over. We can take the roller coaster. And you know everybody's looking for a ride in the water slide. It's getting kinda crazy up in here. Got that DJ playing music, everybody wants to hear you. It's getting kinda crazy up in here. Everybody wants to ride the water slide. 3, 4. If you're looking for some crazy, I'll tell you everybody's standing in a line for the water slide. Take the roller coaster, and you know everybody's looking for a ride in the water slide. Water slide.
So here we are, end of part 1, and this is where we were, and this is where we've got to. So what we've done with the bases up to now is we've stripped them down, done all the repairs. They've been rubbed down to 100 grit, then treated with a thin down 3-tex hard wax with a 10% thinner solution. They've then been rubbed down to a 320 grit. The next stage with these will be to put a buffing wax on with some wire wool, and then that should be its final finish. So what a difference to get from here to here. We'll be doing a second video which will be concentrating on the base. Felt the better to split it up because we're quite a long video, and the intention with this is we need to strip all this down, put it into its separate elements, and then clean it all up. We've also got to try and find a key as well because locked off, so we've got that to figure out. Look out for part 2 where we'll be working on the top and you see the finished item. Thanks for watching. If you like what you've seen, give us a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe and then hit the bell at the side of it to be notified when we put videos up. We do all sorts of little bits and pieces like this, bits of restoration stuff, bits of upcycling. Have a look through, I'm sure you'll find something that you like. Bye for now.